In a collaborative project with the Medical University of Graz, the Austrian Red Cross Carinthia, and the University of Klagenfurt, we at AIR6 Systems have developed a compact delivery drone system with a mobile defibrillator which is used in medical emergency situations within the alpine environment. For this purpose, we have established and received Austria control approval for a drone BVLOS test track in Austria Carinthia. For this project, 3 different aspects were investigated. Firstly, next-generation BVLOS technology, which focuses around communication redundancy, video and data transmission, and feasibility of the end-to-end autonomy. Next, logistic aspects, in particular, the speed of delivery and how to handle the process between emergency calls and defibrillator intervention. Lastly, medical aspects and the likely success in a real-world scenario. The main results of this project have been published in the scientific journal Resuscitation Plus in March 2023. The results make for a compelling case for drone operations. In most cases, it's the only viable solution to get an AED to the emergency site on time.